GM Chads and Degans, welcome to today's automated crypto news flash. This AI-generated video will provide you with a brief overview of the most recent developments in the cryptocurrency space. The following video is provided for informational purposes only and not intended as investment, financial or other advice. Investment giant BlackRock has filed for a spot Bitcoin ETF, seeking approval from the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The iShares Bitcoin Trust aims to provide investors with a secure way to gain exposure to Bitcoin without directly acquiring or trading the cryptocurrency. The trust will use Coinbase custody as its custodian and be listed on the Nasdaq exchange. BlackRock, with $9.1 trillion of assets under management, is the world's largest money manager. While the SEC has been reluctant to approve spot Bitcoin ETFs, experts believe BlackRock's application may have a higher chance due to its reputation and political influence. The proposed ETF will be benchmarked against the CME/CF Bitcoin reference rate, which sources price data from exchanges with high standards of market integrity and transparency. BlackRock's filing coincides with the SEC's regulatory actions against crypto companies like Binance and Coinbase. This article has been published by CryptoNews.com. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust application to the SEC for a spot Bitcoin ETF has a potential advantage due to the inclusion of a surveillance sharing agreement. The agreement involves Nasdaq entering into a surveillance sharing agreement with a spot trading platform for Bitcoin listed on the Nasdaq exchange. This agreement aims to mitigate market manipulation risks and provide information on trading activity, clearing activity, and customer identification. The SEC has expressed concerns about market manipulation in previous rejections of Bitcoin ETF proposals. While some argue that such agreements are unnecessary because data feeds from exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken are already public, the SEC has emphasized the importance of surveillance sharing agreements. BlackRock's filing follows previous rejections of ETF proposals from Grayscale, Van Eck, and WisdomTree. This article has been published by CoinDesk.com. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson is involved in an expedition led by Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb to search for an unidentified flying object, UFO, or space entity that crashed near Papua New Guinea. The expedition is part of the Galileo project, which received $1.5 million in funding from Hoskinson. The team may have already found remnants of the interstellar object, including strange pieces of wire and fragments. However, it is too early to confirm if these pieces belong to an interstellar object from our cosmic neighborhood. Avi Loeb hopes to determine if the object was technologically manufactured by another civilization. Hoskinson has previously supported other unique projects, such as funding a bioscience startup aiming to resurrect extinct species. This article has been published by Cointelegraph.com. Uniswap has announced its selection of Wormhole and Axelar as preferred protocols for handling non-Ethereum deployments in its cross-chain bridging operations. This decision comes after a thorough analysis by Uniswap's Bridge Assessment Committee, which evaluated various protocols. The committee endorsed Wormhole and Axelar for their proficiency in facilitating cross-chain governance. However, the committee advised ongoing review of these protocols and others due to the dynamic nature of the industry. Uniswap's cross-chain bridge allows governance messages from Ethereum to be executed on other chains. The selection of Wormhole and Axelar does not exclude other bridges, and protocols deemed unsuitable for Uniswap's needs may still serve other applications. The article highlights the vulnerabilities and controversies surrounding cross-chain bridges, including successful hacks resulting in significant losses. Uniswap aims to make well-informed decisions by forming the Cross-Chain Bridge Assessment Committee. The report raises concerns about seller, debridge, and multi-chain, while also noting Uniswap's substantial locked value and transaction volume. The choice of Wormhole and Axelar could have significant implications for both the protocols involved and Uniswap's cross-chain operations. This article has been published by CryptoDaily.co.uk. Solana, a Layer 1 blockchain project, is carving out a niche in the mobile industry with its Android phone called Saga and the Solana mobile stack. The Saga phone offers a seamless Web3 experience, allowing users to approve transactions on decentralized applications easily. The device combines the security of hardware wallets with the usability of a mobile device. Some users have praised Saga for its smooth Web3 experience and its potential to make Web3 accessible to a broader consumer base. However, there are still barriers to adoption, such as the inability to use Apple Pay and savings. Solana's broader ambitions in mobile include the Solana mobile stack, which provides an open platform for developers to build apps without the restrictions of major app stores. Solana aims to showcase what is possible for a great Web3 experience on mobile and push the entire space forward. This article has been published on the block.co. That's all for today, folks. If you like this crypto news flash, consider helping out the channel by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. All links to the articles mentioned in the video can be found in the description.